I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites, backup codes, recovery key, or a link number. Once those are ready, install the same Authenticator app on your new device or a compatible alternative. Next, sign into the account provider on a trusted device or browser and navigate to two-factor authentication or account security settings. Make sure to choose the recovery, transfer, or restore option. This kicks off a process that proves you own the account and allows the provider to issue new or transferred tokens. Once you reach the transfer screen, pick the app's export/import tool or use the provider's one-time transfer code. You will scan a QR code or type the transfer code or recovery key. Do this slowly and match characters precisely because one mistake breaks the token. Make sure your phone's clock is set to automatic network time to keep codes valid. After adding the account, generate a code and use it to verify the new device. This confirms the authenticator and prevents lockout. To finish, update your account's two-factor settings and remove any listings for the old device so it can't be used. Once done, generate and safely store new backup codes and enable a secondary recovery method like a phone number or hardware key for redundancy. If the transfer fails, prepare account verification materials such as recent activity or billing info and contact provider support. They can perform manual recovery. Remember this final verification step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.